My name is Peggy Stevenson. I was involved in a gunshot accident, and because of that, I became paralyzed, T10 paraplegic, and I'm in a wheelchair now, so I have no sensation below my waist. I was going to physical therapy to, relearn how to do everything because of becoming a paraplegic, and they had me doing exercises, sit-ups on the table, and they had put a heating pad underneath because I had back pain, and it caused, not realizing it, the heating pad shifted, the protective covering moved, and I was left unattended for about a half an hour, and didn't realize it, but the heating pad had burnt my buttocks. At first it didn't hurt, but about a week later I was in extreme pain. I went to Stony Brook Burn Center, and I was informed that I had third-degree burns on my butt, and I was going to have to get skin grafting and be admitted to the hospital. Absolutely. My sister-in-law worked for Ira and suggested that I give him a call, and he came to visit me in the hospital at Stony Brook. The day I met Ira in the hospital, I felt secure that my life was going to be okay. My case went on for a long 5 years, and we eventually went to trial, and the case settled before I had to go and testify. Well, the rehab center that I was attending that had caused the third-degree burn to my butt, they denied that they had any wrongdoing in it whatsoever. You have a patient on a heating pad, you're supposed to check them every 10 minutes to make sure their skin isn't being burned. They left me alone in this, and Ira, he nailed them. He went after them like a bulldog. The settlement enabled me to go on with my life and take care of some expenses that, I had incurred because I couldn't work. Ira definitely became my friend, and I've known him 10 years, 15 years now. Ira Maurer is a very genuine person. He actually really cares about you and your life, and he'll even talk to you about things that have nothing to do with the case, and he just really cares. He's a fighter, and I would recommend him to anybody. My life now is amazing. I have a wonderful home, a wonderful marriage. We have a successful business, and I still hear from Ira. He still calls, just to see how I'm doing, and that's just really, you don't expect that from an attorney. And that's Ira. That's just the way he is. He's an all-around good guy. I think Ira Maurer, it's personal, it's dead on. I mean, it is personal with Ira. It made me feel secure. In that courtroom, he's the best. You wouldn't want anybody better to represent you.